Hi everyone, in this video, we'll install and configure the OpenVPN client on Windows, helping you create a secure, stable, and fully encrypted VPN connection wherever you are. First, on Windows, let's assume you already have your OpenVPN client configuration file, also known as the OVPN profile. You can build your own OpenVPN server as well, and I've placed a full setup guide in the description below in case you need it. Next, we will head over to the official OpenVPN website to download the OpenVPN client. In this video, we'll download the OpenVPN installer specifically for Windows. If you're using macOS, Linux, or other operating systems, I have also made separate tutorial videos, and you can find all of them in the description below. After downloading the installer, go ahead and install the OpenVPN client. Click Next to continue. Select I agree to accept it, and then click Next to proceed with the installation. Click Install to start installing the OpenVPN client on Windows. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Your OpenVPN client is now ready to use on Windows. After the installation is complete, you'll see the OpenVPN icon on your desktop. Now, open the OpenVPN GUI to continue setting up your connection. In the OpenVPN GUI interface, click the Upload File button to add the configuration file you prepared earlier. This is an important step to set up your VPN connection. After selecting the configuration file, click Import to add the profile to OpenVPN. Now, click Connect to start connecting to the VPN server. This process may take a few seconds to establish a secure and fully encrypted connection. If you see the server status turn green, it means the VPN is connected successfully. At this point, all your internet traffic is secured and encrypted, allowing you to browse safely. And that's it. We've completed installing and configuring the OpenVPN client on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.